Name one travel brand that spent zero on marketing and still became the most visited travel website in India. You already know the answer, and that's exactly the problem nobody is talking about. Every Indian has cursed IRCTC at least once. The website is slow, Tatkal opens and it's already full. The app crashes, but you still go back every single time. That's not loyalty, that's a monopoly. And today we are breaking down exactly how a government website accidentally pulled off the biggest travel heist in Indian travel history. IRCTC was launched in September 1999, and here's what almost nobody knows. It was created purely to fix food on trains, bad catering, dirty pantry cars, corrupt vendors overcharging passengers. That was the brief, fix the food, that's it. Ticketing came 3 years later in August 2002, almost as an afterthought. Someone in the government realized if we are putting systems on train anyway, why not sell tickets online too? At that time, Indians were standing in a queue for 3 to 4 hours just to get a reservation. Agents were charging 50 to 100 rupees per ticket in commission. The moment IRCTC went online, the queue came to them, all 140 crores of them. So hello guys, this is Ronak Singh from Venture Sathi, where we provide tech-driven contact center solutions combining strategic consultation, human support and specialized IT services to modernize your customer experience. Let's talk about what IRCTC actually is today, because the number will make every private OTA in India uncomfortable. Approx 87% of every reserved railway ticket in India is now booked through IRCTC, not Make My Trip, not Ixigo, directly on IRCTC own platform. Every day, almost 14 lakh tickets booked on average. On 6 March 2025 alone, 16.7 lakh tickets in a single day. And on 12 March 2025, their system processed 30,155 bookings in one single minute. They have daily active logins of around 82.57 lakh users every single day. That is most daily users than most Indian consumers have, private or government. And in India's travel website ranking, IRCTC sits at number 1, above Make My Trip, above Booking.com, above everyone. In financial year 2025, revenue was 4,674 crore, net profit was 1,314 crore, which is up to 18% in a single year. Profit CAGR was 20% above 5 years, debt zero, ROI was 40%. Now here's the best part that every travel brand in India needs to hear and probably doesn't want to. IRCTC didn't win because of better design, not because of great customer experience, not because of loyalty program or any influencer campaigns. It won because of one line in a government order. IRCTC is the only entity authorized by Indian Railways to sell online train tickets. That is it, no competition allowed. And the stock market understood this before anyone else did. In October 2025, IRCTC goes public. IPO subscribed 112 times, the highest ever for a government company. Stock doubled on day 1, rupees 10,000 invested at IPO became 64,260 in just 5 years, a 543% return. While the Sensex gave just 112% in the same period, investors were not buying a travel company, they were buying infrastructure, they were buying a toll booth on the world's largest railway network. Now let's be real, IRCTC has improved on some fronts. Anti-bot system for Tatkal, faster refunds, Zomato and Swiggy tie-ups for e-catering, genuine progress, but customer support is still basically non-existent. The app UI hasn't changed in years, and when the site crashes during the high demand windows, there is zero communication to the user, no update, no ETA, nothing. For 82 lakh daily users, that is crores of frustrated people with nowhere to go. The monopoly protects them today, but they are expanding into tourism packages, hotel bookings, flights, spaces where Make My Trip, Ixigo and Easy My Trip will fight back hard. And in those spaces, distribution is not just enough. The moment a customer has a choice, customer experience becomes everything. That gap is worth crores to whoever feels it first. And if you are a travel brand sitting on this problem right now, bad support, frustrated users, no customer experience strategy, that's exactly where we help fix at Venture Sathi. Link is in the description. Let's talk, and for more such videos you can subscribe to our channel Venture Sathi.